I don't think you guys realize how long I have waited for this. So this is the Morgan Turner. Turner? It's Turner, right? Is it not Turner? Hold on 1 second. It is. It is. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, so this is the collaboration between Odens Eye and Morgan Turner on YouTube. I freaking love Morgan's channel. I have actually been like very obsessed with it lately, and I literally love her aesthetic and, you know, the way she does her videos. It literally gorgeous. Okay, so I have been waiting for this for so long. So the first collection came out and I didn't get to get my hands on it. So then I signed. So then I waited for the next launch and thankfully they did it. I was scared that they wouldn't. I got it. So this is the Love Language palette and it's literally what dreams are made of. So first of all, look at the freaking box. Second of all, I have always wanted to try Odens Eye, but I've never been like pulled towards something in the brand that I wanted really, really bad. Does that make sense? But I have seen so many good palettes. I don't know. I've always wanted to try the brand. And now pinks, purples, and cool tones, that's literally my jam. And I got it. So, okay. So this is the cloth. It just looks like it looks like the packaging it came in. Like, look how cute that is, guys. It's very cute. It is literally very cute. Morgan, you did a freaking great job at designing the whole thing. And also Odens Eye, you guys did a great job at bringing it to life. It looks amazing. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna do some looks with this bad boy. I have nothing on my face except a moisturizer, and then I just drew on my tail for my eyebrows just so I wasn't looking crazy. So the unicorn, I don't want to throw this away either. It's so cute. Oh my God. So this is the palette. I literally can't. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so, oh, the cool tones. Oh my God, this color is like calling my name. Oh my God, so is this one. I can't. This is my favorite color, pink. It is a really good palette. Okay, so what I'm going to do is prime my eyes and we're gonna zoom in so we can get in and do these eye looks. I'm gonna do one different one on each eye so you guys get 2 looks. And first of all, hello, my name is Josie. If you like any type of beauty lifestyle videos, this is your channel. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button. And I am going to, what was I gonna say? I have freaking been loving Morgan Turner's content. Literally all of it. She's amazing. She really is. Okay, so let's zoom you in and prime the eyes. Oh man, we real close. Please ignore the dryness of my face. It has been a rough month for dryness on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise primer. This is in the Rumor 2. We're just gonna take a little bit of this and prime the eye. So let's go with this one. We're gonna take whatever's left and put it underneath the eye as well. All right, so then I'm just gonna go in and set that just a little bit with some powder and literally the tiniest amounts. So gorgeous. All right, let me find my blending brushes. Hello, found you. Okay, I am using the new Morphe brushes. This one is the Eye Blender M31 and then the Eye Detail 3.8. So we're gonna take the bigger fluffy brush and we're just going to put down a nice little base. This one right here. I don't want to use it because it's so prettily, it's like the press is so pretty, but we're going to. Let's go into Service and just place that on we're gonna start at the upper lid, like under the brow, and then blend it down from there. So what we want this to do is just give us a little bit of color. Blend this down, just like so. And then I'm gonna go in with the Giggle, this shade here. I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna go in with that and the smaller brush, we're gonna place that into our crease very lightly. I like to use a tapping motion first just to get the pigment down. I tell this to all of my clients as well. Tapping motions to get the pigment down and then you can go in and blend the edges. That is such a pretty color, guys. It's like a nice purple, smoky grayish. Okay, that is so gorgeous. Okay, So then we're gonna go into Date Night and we're just gonna deepen the crease up a little bit. This dark purple here, it's like an eggplant, is one of my favorite colors and it's beautiful. So let's go into that, tap off the excess, and now we're just going to stamp this onto the outer portion of the eye. So this is going to be our deepening shade. Gives that dimension back into the eye to bring more shape. Look at that. All right, we're gonna go back in with the Giggle, which is the lighter gray purple. We're gonna blend that darker purple out just a little bit here. And also don't worry about it being messy. I'm gonna go in and clean it up anyway. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that Service, the lighter color that we used in the beginning. And we're gonna go in and carve the brow out just a little bit to bring back that lightness under our brow. Then I'm gonna lighten up the inner corner and we're gonna use, I want to go in with this one, and so is this one. Oh my God, I don't know. Daydream, oh, let's see. Oh my, that's so pretty. What about gifts? What does gifts look like? Oh my, literally, how are you supposed to choose from those three? Okay, all right. I'm gonna go in with Touch because I'm doing a little bit more of the glitter on the other side. So we're gonna go in with Touch and just place this on, look at that pigment. Wow. We're gonna place this onto the inner portion of our eye. That is gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna go in and clean up this outer portion of the eye. I'm just gonna take a little bit of remover, make it a straight edge, and then go in. Look at that. It's that easy. Super, super easy. Just cleaning up the edge so you don't have to really worry about it as much when you are doing the actual application of the eye. That is gorgeous. Oh, okay. Let's go in underneath the eye. So I'm gonna go in with the Giggle and the Date Night, which is the two purples. And we are going to put Giggle on the inner portion and then Date Night on the outer portion. All right, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of the Touch, the highlight shade, and just bring this into the inner portion. All right, and I'm gonna go in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm gonna do a quick wing. Just to bring that shape back to our eye, and we can just follow the carve that we put out with the cleanup. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, we're gonna let that set and move on to the other eye. So this, well, let's finish it. Let's do some mascara. So I'm going to curl and apply mascara to my eyelashes. The mascara I'm gonna be using is the Telescopic Lift from L'Oreal, and it's the waterproof kind because if I don't use waterproof, then nothing holds my lashes up. All right, I will be right back. All right, that is the finished look. Look number one. All right, we're gonna move on to look number two. Where did I put my P. Louise base down? It's right here. Okay, so, oh, focus. Focus. Alrighty, here we go. We're gonna go in with the affirmation color right here and place that on to the, well, first we're gonna go into the Service, that light color we did with the first eye look. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna bring it underneath the eye. We're starting at the top. All right, now we're gonna go in with that affirmation. So we're gonna place the affirmation like we did the first shade, or the second shade on the other eye. So this is our crease color. Place down. That is so pretty. Oh, that is a beautiful everyday shade, guys. Oh, the pigment, and also it blends out so easily. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the Quality Time, which is the dark brown right here. And we're gonna put that on the outer portion of the eye, like we did the dark purple on this eye. Again, don't worry about being messy on the outside of the eye. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna keep blending those until we get that flawless blend. Don't be afraid to go back in with other colors to blend the edges out a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty. That is a gorgeous color. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the 829 down here. It's that crazy gold shift glitter. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We're gonna take a little bit of that, put it on the inner portion of our eye. Oh my God. That is gorgeous. Oh my God, guys. The camera is not doing it justice. Like, that is so pretty. It's so reflective. I'm gonna go in and just blend a little bit of that medium brown shade into that, just so we have a more flawless blend, just like so. All right, then we're gonna go underneath the eye and we're going to do the lighter brown underneath the whole eye and then put a tiny bit of that 829 underneath the eye in the corner. It goes on so smoothly. Like, it's like almost blurring. I mean, which is literally amazing. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, we're gonna go in with a little bit of the shimmer gold shade underneath. Just gonna go in with my finger right there, just so we get that little pop of brightness underneath the eye as well. Yes, that's so pretty, guys. Okay. Let's do some liner. So same thing, going in with my NYX Epic Ink liner, and we're just going to, again, the same thing as the other eye, just very gently placing the wing down and following that cleanup line that we just did with the makeup remover pad. I don't think you guys realize how truly bright that glitter is. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to go in and do my mascara. Same mascara, curl my lashes, put the mascara on. I'll be right back. All right, there's our second look finished. Oh my God, it's so pretty. If you're looking for a like neutral glam, but still want it to be very poppy with like glitter, this is gorgeous. 10 out of 10 for this palette. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so that is it for the 2 looks that we did with the Love Language palette by the beautiful Miss Morgan Turner and Odens Eye. I absolutely love this palette. You can tell it's super pigmented, easy to work with. If you guys want to see more looks with this palette, let me know in the comments below and I will gladly do it for ya. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah! Bye!